a beautiful creation. Makers of hey, stop videotaping this.
I'm getting it all over video.
I'm done. Forget you, Trey. Then you have a case to clean, which is really hard to get in all the tight spaces. You can't miss any of those corners or crevices.
I doubt you.
Because there will be dust in there.
You won't want that dirty, now would you?
No, you wouldn't want that. This just gives you a lot of time to think when you're cleaning your iPhone. Think about life, the meaning of it.
Oh my god, this is awesome.
Occasionally you can blow in it to get the dust out. This is what we at our school like to call blowing your iPhone. Or iPhone cases, in case we
I'll put this on YouTube.
do it on YouTube, I'm killing you.
You're gonna look that up. Taylin Stone in class.
Oh, that's great.
So much studying going on in this class.
I know, Miss Barron's class is awesome.
Be sure to clean my phone when you're done.
I only clean my phone, another iPhone.
You should?
Oh, you clean my iPhone?
No, so I'd be afraid to break it, it has so many cracks.
It's already broken.
I would still be afraid. Now we clean both sides at once.
How do you feel? So did your dad's condom.
I heard something about Dad's condom.
Oh, Lauren.
I got it off the internet. I told you.
Stop getting things off the internet, Sam, at the wrong time.
Oh, you got that on video.
Yes, I did.
Does this look wrong?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
That's too bad.
Okay, as soon as I get to 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm stopping. It's at 1. It's at 2 now.
Nice place. When did they open?
At 2 a.m. all night, every night.
24 hours a day.
Technically, it'd be morning since it's 2 a.m. But